Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Today in this tutorial I will guide you step by step process at how you can create a simple calculator using Python language, and which is already a super language for machine learning and artificial intelligence. This will be just a basic to start. Okay, for that, first of all I have to introduce myself with you people. My name is Sahil Khan. I am from Pakistan. I am recently a student of grade 12 at the Department of Computer Science, and I have a strong academic background in my field, where I share my skills. Okay, I completed a web designing course and as well as graphic designing, and also completed a DAT diploma in information technology from my country. Even thought I am working. I have been working with a company for the past 1 year, and which I got really super experience in my fields like web designing and as well as graphic designing, rather than my own computer science. So today in this tutorial, let's get started at how we can write a code for creating a simple calculator using Python language to get a number from the user and then calculate it, either an addition, subtraction, multiplication. We will do four operators in this language. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so now this is just a simple calculator we created in Python language. Now we have to run the calculator. Before running, we have to save by pressing Ctrl plus S and then click on the to run the terminal below. Now we have to test the calculator that how it's work. Okay, so now it's working. We have to enter the first number. It should be like 12, and then the second number. Okay, it should be like 12 as well. I just want to test the calculator that it's working properly on board. So now we have to choose the operator if you wanted to divide the number or multiply the two numbers as we give. Okay, and either subtract and addition. Okay, I will go for the multiplication here. Okay, just choose the multiplication sign, and now as you can see it's give the proper result 144. Yeah, so now I will just explain the code about creating a simple calculator in Python is really easy rather than other language like C++ and other languages. Okay, so first of all you have to add a comments. Okay, comments is not mandatory in every language, but it's just help the to the programmer to know about their program. Okay, this is just the technique which is ignored by the compiler, but very helpful for the programmer. And okay, so now after that we have to we wrote a print function to print like simple calculator like compiler, and then we add the numbers. Okay, number one is equal to float. Float is used to show the decimals. Okay, and show the number in decimal point. This is just a function. Okay, and then we wrote the input function in the two parentheses. Okay, just to enter the value by the user, or that we have to use input function in Python, and then add the second number as well. Okay, so the next one comment and the next comment below we use the choose the operation function. Okay, so for choosing the operation we have to tell the compiler that if the user wanted to add the number or subtract the number, multiply the number, or even divide the number. So you have to divide it, subtract it, and multiply it according to the user command after running the calculator. So for that we just choose the we wrote the print function again, and then choose operations and then write a print. Okay, and then just this is just 1 2 3 means just to this is just an index number and represent the addition, subtraction, and multiplication as well as division. Okay, like here as you can see, if you wanted to remove it, so you can. Otherwise, it's it will just like look like awesome. Okay. So and then we wrote the addition function here. Okay, addition operation, and then subtraction operation, sorry about that, and then multiplication operation. Okay, and also wrote the sign of the subtraction, multiplication, and division as well. Okay, in addition. So after that we just wrote a function like operator assign input, enter the operators. Okay, for example, if the user input the two numbers, after that just ask from the user either he wanted to add the numbers and multiply the numbers, and depend upon him. For that we use a function called operator assign input, enter the operator either if you wanted to enter the 1 2 3 number. Okay, is so 1 represent addition, 2 represent subtraction. Okay, and 3 represent multiplication, and 4 represent division. That's also fine, but that's not look like very good. Okay, we just in calculator we mostly use the operators like addition sign, subtraction sign, and state as well, and capital signs, and mathematics we use multiplication sign and division. Okay, just forward slash, and after that for showing the result, what we have to do just to enter the operator double sign double equal to plus. Okay, print result number 1 plus number 2. If the user mean that select addition sign, so what you have to do just to print the value and then show result, just to add the two values number 1 plus number 2, and after that add a function. If the user then choose addition sign, subtraction sign, so you have to subtract two values from each other, and as well as multiplication. Okay, and division, as everyone know that nothing is divided by 0. Okay, if you want to divide something by 0, so you just like look infinity and having no value. For that we use a function called left operator double sign division. Okay, if number 2 is equal to 0, then print result number 1 divided by number 2, else print result can't divide it by 0. Okay, and for example, if you want to divide a number like 4 divided by 0 or something divided by 0, so it's the result is infinity. So after that it will show like can't divide by 0. For that we use this function. Okay, so let me show you that as well. I will just go and run the calculator again and then enter the two numbers here. I just enter 12. Okay, and then 0, and then choose the division sign here. Yeah, and ensure it. Error, can't divide by 0. So hope you understand about the methods and techniques that how to create a simple calculator using Python language, and it's really easy. If you wanted to get admission in artificial intelligence or machine learning, okay, data science, there's just a subfields of artificial intelligence. So for that you have to learn a Python, okay, and that's really helpful coding for the for someone who wanted to get admission in artificial intelligence. So hope you like the video. I'm going to subscribe the channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.